Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started!
Your turn signals aren't working, or maybe one side is out, or perhaps they're blinking erratically fast. These are classic symptoms pointing to a potentially blown turn signal fuse, a common and often straightforward fix you can tackle yourself. Before diving in, always prioritize safety. Ensure your vehicle is completely turned off, the parking brake is engaged, and if you're comfortable, consider wearing safety glasses and gloves, especially when reaching into tight spaces. The first crucial step is locating your vehicle's fuse boxes. Most modern vehicles are equipped with at least two. One typically found under the hood, usually within a black plastic box near the battery or fender, and another located inside the cabin, often under the dashboard on the driver's side, sometimes behind a small access panel, or even in the glove compartment. Your owner's manual is an invaluable resource here. It will precisely pinpoint the locations of these fuse boxes and, more importantly, provide a detailed diagram of the fuses within each. Once you've successfully opened the relevant fuse box, you'll need to identify the specific fuse responsible for your turn signals. The fuse diagram, which is typically printed on the inside of the fuse box cover or detailed in your owner's manual, will clearly label it. Look for designations such as turn, TS, signal, hazard, or sometimes a combined label like turn/HAZ. This diagram will also specify the fuse's amperage rating, which is absolutely critical for replacement. Fuses are color-coded by amperage, so take note of both the label and the corresponding color. To remove the identified fuse, you'll need a fuse puller, a small plastic tool often clipped inside the fuse box cover itself. If one isn't present, a pair of needle-nose pliers can work, but proceed with extreme caution to avoid damaging the fuse box terminals. Gently but firmly pull the suspected fuse straight out of its slot. Now, conduct a visual inspection of the fuse. A blown fuse will typically have a visibly broken or melted wire filament inside its clear plastic body. It might also show signs of discoloration or a burnt appearance. If the fuse appears visually intact, you can perform a more accurate test using a multimeter set to the continuity setting, the one that often emits a beep. Touch one probe of the multimeter to each metal blade of the fuse. If the multimeter beeps or displays a reading of 0 or close to 0 ohms, the fuse has continuity and is good. If it shows no reading, an open circuit, or an OL, overload, then the fuse is indeed blown. If you've confirmed it's blown, you must obtain a replacement fuse of the exact same amperage rating. Never, under any circumstances, use a fuse with a higher amperage rating, as this can lead to severe electrical damage, wiring fires, or other dangerous malfunctions. Carefully insert the new fuse into the empty slot, pushing it firmly until it's properly seated and clicks into place. Once the new fuse is installed, securely close the fuse box cover. Finally, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position. There's no need to start the engine, and test your turn signals. Check both the left and right signals and also activate your hazard lights, as they often share the same circuit or fuse. If your turn signals are now functioning correctly, congratulations, you've successfully diagnosed and replaced a blown fuse. If the new fuse blows immediately, or if the problem persists, it suggests a deeper electrical short or issue that may require professional diagnosis. But for most turn signal woes, this simple fuse check and replacement is all it takes. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY car repair tips.